Okay, welcome back. We are going to put one last thing on this game. We're going to make it really cool. We're going to ask the user how much time they want. So we're going to let somebody, or the person that's playing the game, actually tell us how this game should work. So we're going to say in the beginning how much, like let them challenge themselves, like them talk about how awesome they are. We're going to say how much time do you need to get this done. When they tell us, then we're going to put that answer on the clock, and we're going to use that much time. So right now, every time I hit run, this clock starts at 15 and if I hit run again, 15. So every time I play this game, I get the same result out of this clock. What we want to do is ask them what to put on the clock. Now, when you go to program, you are working down on another kind of block of code. I want you to roll up to this basic game setup kind of at the top. You see a bunch of this and you see where the game starts. Now I want you to detach that broadcast because we don't want to start the game until we've asked them for the answer. Now, here, everybody wants to use this say block. This say block is a one-sided conversation. The cat would say something, and that's it. It doesn't let you answer him. So he's kind of like not a good listener when you use the say block. What you're looking for is this ask block. It's over in sensing. Grab ask. I'm going to put ask right here, and then I'll attach the broadcast begin after it. But I don't want to ask what's your name. I want to ask boom. Now, watch how this ask block works. When you put this here, you get two things. This is really two for the price of one. You get the word bubble and a chance to answer them. Now, right now, that was kind of weird because when I said I wanted 80 seconds, I still got 15. If I said that I wanted 250 seconds, I still got 15. But that ask block does two different things. Now, what we want to do is whatever they answered, we want to literally put that answer right here. So if I say 500, I want that 500 to go right there into that place, into the clock, right? So I want to make sure that clock gets that answer. So here's what I'm going to do. We already have a place where we're setting the clock. So let's scroll down just a little bit, right? And you're going to see when the game starts, you say set the clock to be 15. Now here's what's weird. A lot of kids want to be like, oh, 250, right? But watch this. What if I said that's cheating, because if I say 250 and then it says set the clock to be 250, okay. But what if I said 80? It just says 250. So what you want to do is you want to set the clock to be whatever they said. So I don't know what they're going to say, so I can't type a number right there. Crazy. What you want to do is grab this answer block and say, whoops, I totally missed. You want to put that answer block right there. Set the clock to be whatever they answered. So you asked whatever they said, you took that and put it on the clock. Now watch this. Look how cool this is. If I say 800, puts 800 right there. When I run it again, this time I'm going to say 25. Puts 25 right there. Look how cool that is. If I say 45, it'll put whatever I said, whatever I typed in, it picks up that answer and puts it on the clock. Right? And so then they have a chance to try to beat that clock, and there's two outcomes. Either I'm going to win or I'm going to lose. I'm going to be a winner. I can totally feel it. So they have a chance that clock is counting down. That clock is counting down. Oh, watch this, watch this. I'm going to beat the clock. I'm going to beat the clock. I'm a winner. But if I say I can do it in 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, I'm a loser. Okay, now what you've got is an amazing game. I want you to make sure first of all, hopefully you've already hit remix, you've already hit share. If you haven't, take it a moment to hit remix and share. Then you're going to copy your URL and go turn that in, and you are done.